So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand universal serial bus controllers. Now you're going to be seeing all your USBs right here. You want to repeat what I'm about to show you for every single USB that will come up on your list. Other than you've got 2, you're probably going to have more. You want to repeat this for everything that will come up on this list. So for the first one, you're going to double click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find a tab called power management. It's going to be right here. In my case, on this USB, I don't have it. So I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to go to the next one. So here's the next one. I'm going to double click on it. And now this one has got the power management tab. I'm now going to click on it. And now you want to untick this option right here. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This option right here, you want to untick this and then click on OK. You want to repeat this for every single USB that comes down on the list. Double click on each of them. If it has the power management tab, you want to untick this option and then click on OK. Repeat this for all of them. And then once you've done that, for the second step, you should be having a tab here called camera. I don't have a camera on this computer, but in your case, you'll be having a tab called camera. You want to expand that. Now you want to find your webcam. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in camera. Now you're going to click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate, scroll down again and then click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.